Once upon a time, there was two princess sisters and one nice queen. Ah! Two little princesses. One was a baby and one was a baker. And when the queen went to the kitchen, she went to bake some pie. The queen said to the princesses that we had no more children. No children. And then they said, oh no. Oh no. And then the baby said, and then the mama gave the baby a nice clean breakfast. And she took to a room, and then she started to cry. Oh, princess! Who's the queen? Yeah.
Because why?
And then she and then she kissed sit right here. Sit here. And then he had to go outside. When she was back inside, she told there was no more boards left to watch. There was no more boards to watch. A happy face, she started to make a cake for baby princess because it's over. There's a wet on my dress and I can't get it off. Help, I love you. I think we should take a seat. A happy face, she started to make a cake for baby princess because it's over.
What? What?